What if the best robot isn't metal at all, but squishy? That's not a joke. Soft robots are a real and growing field, and they're solving problems that rigid machines have been struggling with for decades. The whole premise is simple. Instead of metal and motors, you build with silicone, rubber, flexible materials. And because the robot itself can bend and deform, it adapts to whatever it's interacting with. No precise positioning, no complex gripping algorithms. It just conforms. A rigid gripper needs to know exactly where your object is. A soft one just wraps around it. Soft robots can navigate spaces that would be difficult for traditional machines. They can move through complex environments, interact with delicate objects, and even operate inside the human body for medical applications. They also excel at handling things that rigid robots struggle with: fruit, irregular objects. Instead of relying on perfect positioning, they simply adapt to whatever they're interacting with. Control is genuinely hard. When your robot is flexible by nature, predicting exactly where it ends up takes serious modeling. Speed and force are limited, and figuring out what a soft robot is actually doing, is still an open research problem. But that's also what makes it exciting. The field is young enough that the fundamentals are still being figured out. Biology figured out a long time ago that being soft and adaptable beats being rigid and precise in most real-world situations. Robotics is just now catching up.